In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily customize email templates in Housecall Pro so you can send more personalized and professional communications to your customers. If you're new to Housecall Pro, this feature is key to elevating your service experience, whether you're sending appointment reminders, invoices, or follow-up emails. First things first, Housecall Pro offers a user-friendly interface, making it simple to modify pre-built email templates. From the dashboard, go to the Settings section, then click on Email Templates. You'll see a list of the default email templates for various types of communications, like estimates, invoices, and appointment confirmations. Each of these templates can be customized to fit your business needs. To start editing, just click on the template you want to modify. You'll be taken to a text editor, where you can change the subject line, body text, and even include custom fields to personalize each email for the recipient. Housecall Pro allows you to add variables like the customer's name, appointment time, or job details. This makes your emails feel much more personal, which in turn helps improve customer engagement and satisfaction. One powerful feature is the ability to use a visual editor, which means you don't have to know any coding to make your emails look great. You can add logos, images, and even change the color scheme to match your brand's style. This flexibility ensures that every email looks polished and consistent with your business's identity. Don't forget to test your email templates before rolling them out. Housecall Pro allows you to send a test email to yourself to see how it will appear in your customer's inbox. This step is crucial for making sure everything is formatted correctly and that your custom variables are working as expected. Now, if you're using automated reminders or follow-up emails, make sure to double-check those templates as well. Housecall Pro allows you to set triggers for when these emails are sent, so you can automate your communications without any hassle. You can adjust the timing, message content, and customize the frequency to keep your customers informed and engaged. And here's something you'll want to stick around for. By the end of this video, I'll be giving you an exclusive and extended free trial of Housecall Pro. This will give you full access to all the features I've mentioned, so you can take your business to the next level. You can get started by clicking the first link in the description below, where we're offering these bonuses for a limited time. Remember, customizing your email templates in Housecall Pro is a quick and simple way to improve your communication with clients. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch, reinforce your brand identity, or just save time with automated messages, this software has you covered. If you're new to Housecall Pro, I can't recommend it enough. It's a great way to streamline your business operations while keeping things personalized for your customers. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the link below and start using Housecall Pro today.